come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Anand Ranganathan, I mean, it's such a bad joke if it is a joke. And if it is a reality, clearly this is the best way to murder democracy and destroy people's faith in the process of democracy, isn't it?
हेलो, हाँ मैं अभी लाइव टीवी पे हूँ, नाविका जी के प्रोग्राम पे हूँ। नहीं मैं किसी और पैनल पे। सॉरी, कितना दे रहे हैं आप? नहीं, 2 लाख? नहीं नाविका जी मुझे मैसूर पाक देती है। नहीं, मैसूर पाक देंगे, शुगर फ्री देंगे? हाँ नहीं दे रहे तो मैं नहीं आ रहा।
Anand Ranganathan, what is this?
नाविका, पहले तो ये डिसाइड कर लीजिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड इवनिंग टू यू एंड टू माय फेलो पैनलिस्ट। पहले डिसाइड कर लीजिए, और विवेक भी यहाँ पे, इस देश में इन्फ्लेशन है कि नहीं है? महंगाई है? 2022 में अरविंद केजरीवाल एक्यूज बीजेपी ऑफ बाइंग एमएलए फॉर 20 करोड़। अब क्या डिफ्लेशन हो गया? 16 करोड़ में बीजेपी मान रही है।
15
क्या चाहिए? तो 15। तो ये देश की भलाई हो रही है भाई, महंगाई कम हो गई है। कम से कम एक बात तो मानी। नाविका, ये क्या चल रहा है? इज दिस अ जोक? First of all, 52nd Amendment, Jasmine, my good brother, does he know what 52nd Amendment is? Does he know about anti-defection law? Does he know about that at least 2/3 of MLAs have to be poached? When he's talking about 16 MLAs, how many does he expect of AAP to get? What is going on out here? Number 2, is it not a fact? I don't know, Mr. Jasmine Shah's memory is quite weak in that respect. Would he know who ND Sharma is? He was a sitting AAP MLA, and he accused Arvind Kejriwal of taking 10 crores from him. Will you clarify that, Mr. Jasmine Shah? No, you won't, because it is your MLA who accused the same Kejriwal. So number 2, let us wait for the results tomorrow. Everything would be clear. And as far as buying and selling MLAs is concerned, if you have concrete proof, then rather than saying that election commission big chuki hai, all those inflammatory and incendiary statements you have made, anti-constitutional, that are prone to be sued by election commission. I don't know why it doesn't sue civil defamation against you people, because when you win 67 seats out of 70, then EVMs are working. Election commission is not partial. There is no bias there. But the moment you get a hint of not doing as well as you expect you are going to do, in fact, relinquishing Delhi, then suddenly election commission becomes completely bought over, a stooge, biased, absolutely sold out stooge. Is this the way democracy is to be conducted, Mr. Jasmine Shah? I ask you.
Jasmine Shah, respond.
Democracy does not need an Anand Ranganathan to defend itself, because people like Anand Ranganathan are completely blind to the fact that crores की मात्रा में पैसे बटे गए हैं दिल्ली के इस चुनाव में. The amount of liquor that was being distributed, all happening in New Delhi Assembly constituency, where the Election Commission's headquarters is. Delhi police was giving protection to the goons of BJP when money and liquor is being distributed. All of these evidences in terms of videos, photographs, everything submitted to the Election Commission. But Anand Ranganathan doesn't have a spine to ask one question of the Election Commission. Warna BJP unko gali degi. Let us not act as the savior. If you really want to be a true citizen of the country, it is your right to ask the question, why is Election Commission being compromised? If this is happening in Delhi only, imagine what would be happening in the distant corners of the country. And then you ask question of the people who are actually trying to protect the Indian democracy. If free and fair electoral process is being compromised, we should not ask questions. Is this how you would want to conduct the elections in this country?
Well, every citizen has the right to ask questions, but since you've named Anand Ranganathan, right to rebut, 20 seconds.
Yes. He does not explain the fact that when he got 67 out of 70 seats, then election commission was partial or biased. And number 2, please do not get personal. Just because you bought tickets of Arvind Kejriwal to take bath in his sauna for 100 rupees ago, just because you are going to use this jacuzzi of Sheesh Mahal, doesn't mean that you have extra money to buy tickets as well, Jasmine. Don't get personal out here.
Well, let's not get personal.